Hey everyone, welcome back to Itz Crafty Corn. Today I'm super excited because I'm making a super cute 3D popsicle paper squishy, and trust me, it looks so real. And it's really fun and easy. I'm doing it with just some simple things. You probably already have it at home. And if you are also into crafting, then start collecting your own materials. And don't worry, I'm going to share you my own craft supplies which I had used. So firstly, let's take a look at the materials first. White papers, a DOMS marker. You can use any marker which you want to, but I am using that. Any colors of a choice, but I am using DOMS. Pencil colors, ruler, clear tape, a pencil, and toy stuffing. And now let's start making a 3D squishy. Alright, let's start pressing the pencil lightly to build a basic sketch. And now I'm using DOMS linear marker for outlining. You can use any marker you want. Then outline the ice cream sketch. Now outlining is completed, and now we will start coloring it. And for coloring, I'm using DOMS pencil colors. Firstly, I'm using pink color. For frosting, I'm using brown color. And for strawberries, I will be using red, pink, and white color. And like this, we have to color all the strawberries. Now secure the drawing with clear tape. Now again, make another popsicle on the paper, but not to add strawberries on it this time. Secure this sketch also with a clear tape. Now take a strip of paper and then color it on the basis of your popsicle sketch. After cutting it with the scissors, join them together as I'm doing. Now we have to connect the second cut out of a popsicle with it. Now finally, it's the time to fill it with toy stuffing. Now we have to stick the stick to the popsicle and we are done.